Hey everybody, I'm Aaron, and this is Michelle, and this is Megan, and we are from the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council. We bring career development events for students like you, so if you're interested in finding out about your future career path, we hope that you're going to take advantage of our programming. In March, we are focused on careers on emergency services. So we hope you're going to take advantage of some live events. For example, we have a police and RCMP career panel pathway on March 23rd at 6:30 p.m. You can pre-register for this event where you're going to hear from a representative from the Saskatoon Police Service and the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, hear about their career journeys, as well as how you can start now to get ready to apply in the future.
Join us on Wednesday, March 24th for our Fire and Paramedic Career Pathways panel. We'll have representatives from the Saskatoon Fire Department, Medavie Health Services, as well as Stars Air Ambulance sharing their career journeys. And if you want to learn more about careers in emergency services, be sure to check out our post-secondary video series where you can hear about different post-secondary options to pursue a career in emergency services. As well, we have interviews with industry professionals and different tours of the facilities they work in.
And if you look at the top of your screen, you'll notice that Michelle has brought a friend to our meeting. Meet Gladys. And if you want a chance to work with Gladys and all of her friends and learn about braiding and blowouts and esthetician, then you should check out our Hairstyling and Aesthetics Bootcamp. It's a hands-on opportunity to try out all of your skills and also learn about careers in this industry. Now let me ask you, do you like money? Do you maybe need some high school credits? Do you need a high school job? Well, then you should probably check out our Summer Youth Internship program. It offers all of those things and many more opportunities to earn some safety training, gain apprenticeship hours, and multiple scholarship opportunities. Application deadline is May 11th, and it's very competitive, so make sure you put in the work.
And speaking of applying for jobs, if you want to get ready for the first job application, we suggest that you take advantage of one of our resume skills or interview skills workshops, or check out more resources for our employability program on our website.
Be sure to follow us on social media, and if you haven't done so, go subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find video recordings of all of our past events.
We look forward to working with you.